Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the many amazing benefits of eating seeds. These tiny yet mighty foods are packed with nutrients and can be a nutritious addition to your diet. But first, let's talk about what seeds are and why they're so good for you. Seeds are small, edible grains that are produced by plants and contain all the nutrients needed to grow a new plant. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and are a good source of plant-based protein, fiber, and a number of other nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals. Now let's dive into the top benefits of eating seeds. Heart health. Many seeds, including chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds, are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Weight management. The high fiber and protein content of seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, making them a good choice for those trying to manage their weight. In addition, the nutrients found in seeds have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings, which can also be beneficial for weight management. Digestive health. The high fiber content of seeds can also help to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. In addition, the antioxidants found in seeds have been shown to help protect against colon cancer. Blood sugar control. Seeds like pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds have a low glycemic index, which means they are absorbed slowly and can help to regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a good choice for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Immune system support. Many seeds, including sesame seeds and hemp seeds, are a good source of zinc, which is important for immune system function. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Bone health. Seeds like sesame seeds and pumpkin seeds are good sources of calcium, which is important for bone health. They are also a good source of other nutrients like magnesium and potassium, which can help to improve bone density. Brain health. Seeds like sunflower seeds and flax seeds are a good source of folate, which is important for brain health and cognitive function. They are also a good source of iron, which is important for oxygen delivery to the brain and other organs. Skin health. The antioxidants found in seeds like sunflower seeds and chia seeds have been shown to help protect against skin damage and improve skin health. They are also a good source of zinc, which is important for maintaining healthy skin. Pregnancy. Seeds like flax seeds and pumpkin seeds are a good source of folate, which is important for fetal development during pregnancy. They are also a good source of iron, which is important for preventing anemia during pregnancy. Diabetes. The low glycemic index of seeds like pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds can help to regulate blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of eating seeds. Incorporating these nutritious foods into your diet can help to support your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to